Hello everyone, welcome to ICT Knowledge. Today we are covering the entire Python programming foundation: variables, operators, control flow, strings, lists, and functions. This is the biggest session yet because these topics form the backbone of your CBSE practical exam. Keep your notebooks ready. Why did CBSE choose Python? Because it is easy to read, almost like English. Python is interpreted, meaning it runs line by line without needing compilation. It uses dynamic typing. You don't declare variable types, Python figures it out. It has thousands of libraries. It is free, open source, and works on every platform. Guido van Rossum created it in 1991. Most importantly, it is the official language for your class 11 and 12 computer science course. Watch the data types appear. A variable is like a named box that stores data. In Python, you just assign and it deducts the type. Int stores whole numbers like 42. Float stores decimal like 3.14. str stores text in quotes. Bool stores true or false. List stores ordered collections in brackets. Tuple stores immutable collections in parentheses. Variable names must start with a letter or underscore, are case sensitive and follow snake case convention. Use type to check any variable types. Python has six operator categories: arithmetic, plus, minus, multiply, divide, floor division, modulus, power. Floor division with double slash truncates the decimal. 10 slash slash 3 gives 3, not 3.33. Power with double star 2 star star 3 gives 8. Comparison operator turns true or false. Logical operators and or not. They combine conditions. Assignment operators like plus, equals, or shortcuts. Identify operators is and is not. Check if objects are the same in memory. Membership operators in and not in. Check if something exists in a sequence. Input always return a string. This is the number one trap in exams. If you want a number, you must cast it. Input int of input or float of input. For output, print can take multiple arguments separated by commas. F strings are the modern way use curly braces inside F codes to embed variables. The end parameter changes what print adds at the end. Default is new line. Type conversion. Int truncates decimal without rounding. Type conversion. Int truncates decimals without rounding. Bool of 0 or empty string is false. Everything else is true. Watch the decision flow. The if statement checks a condition. If true, block A runs. If false, Python checks else if conditions one by one. If none match, the else block runs. Critical rule: Python uses indentation, four spaces instead of braces. Wrong indentation gives indentation error. In the example, marks equals 75. Is 75 greater than or equal to 90? No. Is it greater than or equal to 75? Yes. So grade is A. The ellipse chain stops at the first true condition. Two types of loop. The for loop is counted repetition. For I in range 5, Run 5 times with I going 0 through 4. The while loop runs as long as a condition is true. Careful. If the condition never becomes false, you get an infinite loop. Range is super important. Range of 5 gives 0 to 4. Range of 1, comma 6 gives 1 to 5. Range of 100 Range of 10, comma 0, comma minus 1 counts down from 10 to 1. Remember, range always excludes the stop value. A nested loop is a loop inside a loop. The outer loop runs and for each iteration. The inner loop completes all its iterations, so 3 outer times 2 inner level gives 6 total outputs. Break exits the entire loop immediately when a condition is met. In the example, when I equals 5, break stops everything. Output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue skips only the current iteration and moves to the next one. When I equals 3, continue jumps over it. Output is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Notice the difference. Break stops, continue skips. Strings are immutable sequences of characters. You can use single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes for multi-line. Indexing. P is index 0 in Python. N is index 5 or minus 1. Slicing with square brackets colon. S of 1 colon 4 gives ytx. The step parameter S of colon 2 gives every second character. S of colon minus 1 reverse the string. Concatenation with plus, repetition with star, membership within. The key fact strings are immutable. You cannot change S of 0. You must create a new string. Watch the methods appear. Upper converts to uppercase, lower to lowercase. Find returns the index of the substring. Minus 1 if not found. Replace creates a new string with substitutions. Split breaks string in a list. Length returns the length. More methods. Strip removes white space. More methods. Strip removes white space. Count counts occurrences. Start with and ends with check beginning and ending. Is digit and is alpha test character types. The join method joins does the opposite of split. It combines a list into a string with a separator. Remember all these new strings because strings are immutable. Lists are mutable ordered collections enclosed in square brackets. They can hold mixed types, numbers, strings, booleans, even other lists. Indexing and slicing work exactly like strings. The huge difference lists are mutable. You can change L of 0 equals 99. This works. Concatenation with plus joins two lists. Repetition with star duplicates. Membership within checks existence. You can traverse with a for loop directly or using range with len. List comprehension is a one linear to create list. X squared for x in range 5 gives you 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Watch the methods build. Append adds to the end. Insert adds at a specific index. Pop removes and returns an item at an index. Sort arranges in ascending order. Reverse flips the order. Len counts elements. More. Remove deletes by value. Extend adds all elements from another list. Index finds position. Count counts occurrences. Copy makes a shallow copy. Clear empties the list. Important sort, append, reverse, and insert, modify the list in place. They don't create a new list. This is different from string methods. The big comparison table. Strings are immutable sequences of characters only. Lists are mutable sequences that hold any data type. Lists are mutable sequences that hold any data type. Both support indexing, slicing, concatenation, repetition, membership testing, and traversal. The key difference is mutability. You can change a list element but not a string character. String methods return new strings. List methods modify in place. Both are tested for 3 to 5 marks in CBSE exams. Master this comparison table. A function is a named block of reusable code. Python has three types. Built-in functions like print, input, len, type, int, float, min, max, sum, and sorted are ready to use. Module functions comes from libraries. Import math gives you square root and pi. Import random gives rand int. User defined functions are ones you create using the diff keyword. Functions promote code reuse, makes program organized and easier to debug. The def keyword creates a function. Parameters are the variables in the definition, like a and b in def, add a, comma b. Arguments are the actual values you pass when calling, like 3 and 5 in add 3, comma 5. The return statements sends a value back to the caller. Default parameters provide fallback values. Def greet name equals student users student if number name is given. Def greet name equals student uses student if no name is given. Python functions can return multiple values as a tuple. If there is a no return statement, the function returns none automatically. This is very common exam trap. Scope determines where a variable can be accessed. Local variables are created inside a function, exist only during that function call, and are destroyed after the function returns. You cannot access a local variable from outside its function. Global variables are created outside all functions and can be read from anywhere. But here is the catch. To modify a global variable inside a function, you must use the global keyword. Without it, Python creates a new local variable with the same name here. This is the most tested scope concept in CBSE exams. Rapid fire revision 1. Python as int, float, string, bool, list, tuple, dict. 2. Else for decisions. 3. For is counted, while is conditional. 4. Strings are immutable sequences. 5. Lists are mutable ordered collections. 6. Def creates function, return sends value back. 7. Local scope inside function, global, global scope outside. 8. Break exits loop entirely, continue skips current iteration. Master these 8 points and you won this chapter. Output prediction questions. Given code predicts what prints. Error finding, spot the bug. Function writing for 5 marks. Write a function that does something specific. String operations, indexing, slicing methods. Loop tracing, follow execution step by step. List manipulation, track, append, insert, pop operations. Practice all six types. In your practical exam, you will get at least 2 to 3 of this. Do at least 10 problems of each type before the exam. Exam traps most students miss. Input always return string must cast. Flow division 10 double slash 3 is 3. and negative a double slash 2 is minus 4 because it flows down. Strings are immutable. Assigning to an index gives type error. Range excludes the stop value. Range 1, 5 gives 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5. Single equals assigns. Double equals compares. The most common syntax error. The global keyword is needed to modify, not to read. List methods modify in place. Functions without return give none. Quiz time. Question 1. What is the output of S equals Python? Print S of 1 colon 4 comma S of colon minus 1 comma len of S. Question 2. Write a function is palindrome that returns true if a string reads the same forwards and backwards. Bonus. If L equals 5381, what is L after sort? Append 10, pop 2. Write your answers in the comments. Keep coding, keep growing. Thank you.